Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming tips, tricks, and secrets. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible method that will boost your gaming experience. An easy step-by-step guide to getting unlimited cash and coins using this amazing Township hack. No technical knowledge needed. This works on both iOS and Android devices, and there's no need for jailbreaking, rooting, or even a PC. I tested it myself, and it works flawlessly. Watch closely as I walk you through the whole process. Let's get started. First, we need to find your unique user ID. This is super important because we'll need it in the next steps. To locate it, simply open the game, head to your profile settings, and you'll see your user ID. Make sure to copy it somewhere because we'll be using it very soon. Next, grab your mobile device and open any browser. Head over to this special website, which provides hack for a variety of popular games and apps. Today, we're focusing on Township Hack. Use the search bar at the top, type in the name of the game, and select it from the list. This will take you to the dedicated hack page where all the magic happens. Now you'll see a form where you need to input some basic details. Here's what to do. Select your platform, choose iOS or Android. Enter your username, your unique ID from earlier. Double-check your details and hit the Connect button. At this point, the system will establish a secure connection to the game servers. It's fully automated and completely safe, so just sit tight for a moment. Once your Township account is linked, you'll see a menu where you can choose how many cash and coins you want. Select the amount of cash and coins you need, then hit Generate. The system will now process the request, setting up encryption, running security checks, and bypassing restrictions. This part might take a minute or two, so be patient. We're almost there. The final step is a quick verification process. This ensures that you're a real player and not an automated bot. You may need to complete a small task, such as installing a free app or answering a quick survey. It's a straightforward process and usually takes just a few minutes. If you're unsure, don't worry. The website provides a step-by-step video guide to help you through it. Just follow the instructions and you'll be done in no time. After completing the verification, your resources will be added to your account almost instantly, just like that. I already went through the process earlier, so I won't do it again now, but check this out. My cash and coins balance is fully loaded after just a few seconds. Now I can play the Township freely without worrying about running out of cash and coins. Feels great, right? And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to drop a like and share this video with your friends. Got any questions? Leave a comment below with your thoughts and I'll do my best to help you out. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome gaming content and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy gaming. See you in the next video.